Today's task is COVID-19 deaths prediction. Let's talk about the overview. COVID-19 is one of the deadliest viruses you have ever heard. Mutations in COVID-19 make it either more deadly or more infectious. We have seen a lot of deaths from COVID-19 while there is a higher wave of cases. We can use historical data on COVID-19 cases and deaths to predict the number of deaths in the future. I am using a dataset of COVID-19 in India from 30 January 2020 to 18th January 2022. The dataset contains information about the daily confirmed cases and deaths. Below are all the columns of the dataset. I need to use this historical data of COVID-19 cases and deaths to predict the number of deaths for the next 30 days. You can download this dataset from here. We have to mount Google Drive. We have mounted Google Drive successfully. Next, downloading dataset from the URL. The dataset has downloaded successfully. Checking if file already exists or not. The file COVID-19 data india.csv already exists. Next, importing essential libraries. Checking shape of data. Checking info of data. And describing data. Before moving forward, let's have a quick look at whether this dataset contains any null values or not. As you can see, the dataset doesn't contain any null value. Next, we don't need the data column, so let's drop this column from dataset. Let's have a look at the daily confirmed cases of COVID-19. Now let's have a look at the daily deaths of COVID-19. So, COVID-19 death rate analysis step. Let's visualize the death rate due to COVID-19. Let's calculate the death rate of COVID-19. So, it's almost 1.28. COVID-19 deaths prediction model. Let's move to the task of COVID-19 deaths prediction for the next 30 days. Here I will be using the AutoTS library, which is one of the best automatic machine learning libraries for time series analysis. Pip install AutoTS. Next, from AutoTS, importing AutoTS and make architecture of model, then model.fit and model.predict. So we can check the results. Let's check what is inside forecast. Here we can see we have predicted the 30 values, next 30 values. Saving forecast values to a file. That's it.